What's up guys, my name is Nicardo Shirley. Welcome to my YouTube channel where I encourage you to take that first step. In today's video, I'm going to share with you some tips in which you can use to increase your YouTube watch time and also gain some subscribers along the way. Alright, so let's get into the video. So if you are a small YouTuber, these tips will surely help you to reach your goal, and that is to reach the 4,000 hours watch time in order to get your channel monetized. So the first tip on my list to increase your YouTube watch time is simple. Create longer videos. And when I say create longer videos, I don't mean create a 1 hour video or a 2 hour video. No, I simply mean create videos that are approximately 15 minutes long, 10 minutes long. So for instance, you are a comedy YouTube channel, or you are a vlogging YouTube channel, or a gaming channel for instance, and you normally create 5 minutes clip, 2-minute clip, 8-minute clips of your videos. You just need to increase that to 10 minutes or 11 minutes, because a normal viewer will watch a 5-minute video for 3 minutes on average. Or say for instance your video is 8 minutes long, an average viewer will watch your content for 4 minutes, depending on how entertaining or how interesting they find that particular video. So if you increase that watch time, for instance, to 15 minutes, if they should watch say 9 minutes of your video, you'll still gain a lot of watch time, thus increase your overall watch time. So a simple trick you can use to increase your YouTube watch time or your overall channel watch time is to create longer videos. Also, another tip you can use to increase your channel overall watch time, gain more subscribers, is also create longer videos but also make your video more engaging, entertaining, and use transition within your video. For instance, you are already creating longer video content. So you're already creating 10 minutes video, you already creating 15 minutes video, right? But you're still not gaining a lot of watch time on your content. You're still getting, for instance, that 10-minute video, you're still just gaining 1 minute of watch time from your viewers. What you can do is make your content more interactive, more engaging by simply adding a little sound effect throughout the entire video, or also adding some transitions within your video to kind of break the flow, the natural flow of your video. For instance, you are playing a gaming channel but you just simply playing. What you can do is add a little background music while you are playing your video. That will get your audience more entertained and interested in your content. Thus, they will more motivated to watch your content, or they will know watch your content because it's not that boring. Because no one wants to watch 10 minutes of something that is boring. That's just not going to work. So by adding some transition to break up the normal flow of your video, adding some music, add a little animated text to give your video that spunk, give your video that spark, then you will have more viewers watching more of your content. Maybe they don't watch the exact 10 minutes, but they will watch at least 8 minutes of your video, and that will contribute more to your overall channel watch time. Another simple trick you can use to gain more YouTube watch time is simply creating a YouTube playlist. What a playlist is a combination of content that are similar or related together. So for instance, a viewer clicks on one of your videos, say for instance, use my channel, how to gain more subscribers, right? They click on that video. After watching that 10-minute video, right, a related video within that playlist will pop up to them, that will just appear so they can watch that follow-up video, how to gain more YouTube watch time. After they watch that video, another video that is related to that video will pops up and say, for instance, how to gain more subscribers. So by creating a playlist, you keep the viewer longer on your channel, thus they will watch more of your content, and also that contribute to your overall watch time. So creating a playlist is a very important technique that you can use to grow your channel, even gain some subscribers along the way, because the longer viewers spend on your channel, the more likely they are to subscribe. As I said in my previous video, no one subscribes to your channel and first watching. Well, some persons do, but they are more likely to subscribe after watching your second video, your third video, your fourth video, and so forth. So by creating a playlist, after they watch this video, another similar video pops up, they will click on that video, watch it, and so forth, and you keep them in a trap, a loop, so they keep watching your content, watching your content. So creating a playlist is very important. Also, another technique that you can implement to gain more watch time on your channel is in adding links within your channel description. So links are similar to what I mentioned before, like playlists. So for instance, a viewer clicks on one of your video, right? They watch the entire video, for instance. Just for example, they watch the entire video. Now, some viewer will scroll down into the comment section or in your description. They will see a similar link. Hey, check out part 1 of this video. They will click on that link and watch part 1. And so forth. In part 1, you also have a link in your description. Hey, check out this video. And so you keep them in a loop, kind of like a playlist. So adding links within your channel description can aid in you getting more watch time. So that is a very important technique that most YouTubers implement, and it brings out significant results in their channel growth. This is a follow-up of the previous technique that I just suggested by adding links within your description. You can also add links within your comment section. Many YouTube viewers just scroll right into the comment section before even start watching your videos. So what you could do is pin a link to other videos, other of your videos that you want to promote in your comment section, and by doing that you will capture those persons who scroll to the comment section or who normally view comments, which most persons normally do. So by adding links within your description, video description, and also within the comment section is a very useful technique that you can use to gain more YouTube watch time, because you're keeping the viewer more on your channel, and the longer they stay on your channel, the more videos they will watch, and the more of watch time they will contribute to your YouTube channel. The next technique that I want to implement is creating end screen. So after watching one of your YouTube videos, at the end of that video, some cards will pop up on your video suggesting related video or your most popular video or whatever you set your end screen to be. So by creating end screen, so for instance, your video is 10 minutes long, on reaching 9 minutes 50 seconds, the end screen will pop up suggesting other popular video from your channel which they might enjoy. So by adding end screen to your video, this will contribute to longer watch time, because end screen acts similar to the playlist. It keeps the user longer on your channel by clicking more of your videos and so forth. So each video they watch, an end screen pops up with suggesting more content that they might enjoy. So as the video is about to end, an end screen pop up suggesting related content that they might enjoy. They clicks on it, watch that video, end screen pop up with more content that they might enjoy, and the loop just continues. The loop continues. So by adding end screen to your video, you will gain more subscribers, also watch time, and just contribute to your overall channel growth. And the last and bonus technique that is very useful in growing your YouTube channel, adding more watch time to your channel and gain more subscribers, is creating appealing YouTube thumbnails. Appealing thumbnails to your video is very important. This is the first impression. So before a user click on your video, before a viewer clicks on your videos, they see your thumbnail. So the thumbnail will decide whether or not they watch your video or they keep scrolling. So if you have a thumbnail that is very vivid, text and everything is clear, then likely that the YouTube viewer will click on your video. So once they click on your video, they will watch your content, and if they like what they are watching, they will click on more of your video and so forth. So the thumbnail is the first impression which you want to nail on the get-go. Create appealing, vivid thumbnails so that when the user first see your video, they will want to watch your content. They will want to click on your video. Again, my name is Nicardo Shirley. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy this video and hope it help you to reach your goal. Increase your YouTube watch time, gain more YouTube subscribers, and also your overall YouTube growth. If you need some entertainment, please do check out my other YouTube channel. The link will be in the description below. Card and Vibes TV. Peace.